Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be guiding you through on how to fix limits reached. If on your Chai app and they're showing you something like your token limit has been reached or you have reached your token limit, in today's video, I'm going to fix the problem. Your daily limit, you have 24 hours to finish your tokens. So you are meant to finish your tokens every day. Okay, you have a limit of token to be used every day since you are not a premium. Okay, and secondly, your chats. The more you chat, the more tokens you can. So you meet your conversations to manage your token. Okay, and thirdly, it's very simple. You can go and go premium. As simple as that. You go premium so you can enjoy Chai app as much as you like. So that is it on how to fix your token limit on Chai app. If you found this video helpful, please do to subscribe to the channel and tell me in the comment section if you want to know anything concerning this app. I won't hesitate to give you guys feedback. Please subscribe.